Making a bench, part 1. Got it. Hello, it's me, your local neighborhood Eldritch Horror. No makeup, all sweats. This is my Saturday vibe, and this is Ted. I don't even know if this video is gonna see the light of day, to be honest with you, because the audio is shit, the camera is shit. We'll see how it goes. I bought a bench, and usually Josh is here to help me put things together, or he'll just put them together himself. He is away, and I felt like I needed to do this by myself. Like, I bought this bench, I feel like I need to be the one to put it together. So I'm going to, by myself. So I started unpacking it, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make this into a video. And I don't know why I had this idea, but I figured if it's shitty, then it'll be okay. So today we're gonna put together a bench. Together. Alright, so here's the deal. Forgive the fact that my house looks like this in the background, okay? We've got a lot going on. Don't judge me. I'm not good at following directions, like not even a little bit. So to me, this looks fairly easy, but I could be horribly wrong. Like horribly wrong. Shouldn't be too hard, is what I am thinking. Two wants me to put the wood screw that requires the, what are they called? Hex Allen wrench? What is this? Allen key. Not an Allen wrench. Allen key. Maybe it's the same thing. I'm not actually sure. So you use an Allen key to screw the wood screw in. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, okay. No, this is great. They're all labeled. Oh, this is excellent. This is so good. Okay. Excuse me. We free the Allen key from its mortal coil. Am I making anyone nervous? I'm kind of making myself nervous. We free it from the womb. And then we get the C screws, which are, oh my god, there's so many. There's so many in here. Okay, that's a little disheartening, but I will continue on. There's more than I thought there was gonna have to be, and I think that's the problem. Great. Wood screws, okay. So this is part 2 with C screws and the Allen key, and it goes with part 6, which is one of these under here. So we're gonna set this to the side for a sec. This I think is the top of the bench itself, so I don't think I need this yet. I'm gonna set this over here. Don't make fun of my bear socks. I'm wearing bear socks today. Just let me live my life. Yeah, baby. Okay. All right. Okay. This can't be that hard. So there are the screw holes in here, and I just line up the thing. It's gonna be a little difficult with one person. I'm realizing now that this wasn't my smartest move, but you know what, I'm determined. You know what real constructioners would do? They would just lay the thing on the side, right? Okay, so let's kind of like zhuzh it this way, right? Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so this just wood screws right in there, baby. No problem, no problem. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It already looks like a it already looks like a bench. So we're gonna be fine. Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah, we're really, there's no easy way to use an Allen key, is there? I don't feel like I'm doing it right, but it's okay. Oh yes, queen, it's going in the hole! Yes! This is so simple. How easy is this shit? A caveman could do it. This is not very level though. Will it level itself out? I have to imagine it will, right? Like when I tighten it? Okay. sure. Watch this end up crooked as shit. Because there's like some weird thing that I didn't do I was supposed to. Number 3, letter 3, goes on this side. Facing out, right? This faces in, that faces out. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. It's definitely not straight, and I know you can see that. It's okay. It'll straighten itself out. Why can't I do things with my left hand?
And then my camera died and I didn't realize it for like a long time. Ha 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 ha, I'm so sad.
Hello and welcome back to me building a bench. I'm gonna finish this bench. We're gonna do it, okay? If none of that recorded before or it was all shit, hi, I'm building a bench. Right now, so far, I've got 3 sides on it. So like I figure it can't be hard to get the last side on, and then we're gonna do the rest of the shit. But I found my Allen key, which was hiding on me. So I'm gonna continue doing this now. You can't see it, but trust me. It's looking like a bench. Do you hear that? It's my fucking knees. It doesn't really look all that straight. Listen, this bench was like $200 on Amazon, okay? I needed to store blankets and to look cute. I'm not asking for the fucking Mona Lisa over here. Maybe I should put on this side and then tighten that side in case it's wrong. I think that's what the directions said to do. Yeah, and then we just... Yeah. Don't worry about it. It's not straight, kids. Do I need gloves? I'm getting gloves. My dexterity takes a hit. I would say like -2 to dexterity. But definitely +1 to strength at least. Oh no, it's more like -5 dex. Oh, -10. Oh my god, it's getting hot in here. At the risk of destroying everything, I'm going to lay it down. I don't know if this is the right plan. Doesn't feel like the right plan. Okay. We're on the ground. Okay. Great. Feeling great. Nothing can go wrong. Everything's fine.
You just gotta get the right angle, you know what I'm saying? This is the angle. Do you ever just know you're ruining something?
Like I feel like a woman. Best thing about being a woman. Whoa. Alright. That one went in better after I undid it and did it again. Okay, let's try the other one like that. Yes! Yes! Like it was nothing. Like it was nothing. That was step 2. Great. Oh, this looks easy. This part looks so easy. Okay, we stand it up. Oh, it's making some noise. Oh no, that was just a floor piece. That's okay. Ooh! Girl, this is a bench, almost. Like if I've ever seen one. Cool. Now we put part 4, which is this part. Put it in. Doesn't matter which way. It looks like it's the same. Straighten that in there. Make sure it's even, right? And then screw it in with normal screw. Wait, those are B screws. We get to pop open the B. Get to pop a B screw. Whoa. Just put them in. Oh, just put them in. It's like no big deal. I need my cushion for my weak old ladies. though. It's not even. It's fine. It's for blankets. Oh, it's fine. It's for blankets. Don't tell Josh. Don't tell Josh. Done. Look at this, we're on step 5 already. Right? There are only 7 steps. We're almost done. Holy shit. My favorite, the Allen thing. Ah, shit. Okay. All right. Okay. This looks easy enough. Should have shifted this way, but it's fine. We'll stand. I can stand. Line up the sides. Okay. Line up the poles. Line up the sides. Oh, it's upside down. Oh my god, it's upside down. do you see the fucking arch? I almost just put this upside down. Oh, I would have been so upset. Okay, this makes more sense. This looks like it makes more sense. That would have been so on brand for me. It's not even funny. What time is it? I bet Josh is gonna get home soon and be like, what the fuck? How long? How long have you been doing this? Okay, it's on there, right? Like, it couldn't be more on there if we tried. I'm done with that one. Those aren't in all the way. I mean, they're in all the way, right? But they're not in the way that those are in. Like, you can still see kind of the tips of this one. I don't care. Flip bench. Flip bench this way. Flip it. I'm doing it. Take the A screws and put them. What? If this was just a normal bench, I don't think I'd have much of a problem, but this is like an open-y bench with hinges. So they go over there. Oh, and there's a hole there. H. Okay. Oh, there's a piece. Hold on. I don't just put them in anywhere. I'm attaching the top of the bench. I see, said the blind man, trying to build a bench from Wayfair in his living room. Put it right on the edge here. You line up those nubbins. I think. Okay, well if it goes here, like right directly here, and it closes. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Take my word for it. I'm going to start screwing some things. And if it works, Godspeed.
2 hours later.
Okay. Those are screwed in. I think it works. This is the moment of truth, kids. Moment of truth. Okay. Oh. Okay. It closes properly. Let's make sure it stays closed. Oh, let's wrap it up. Huh? Oh, you can't see. Hold on. It works. Oh, I did it. I built the most simple thing that I literally could have built off the internet. I did it.
Well, I had fun here. I'm gonna go take a shower. I think I'm going to just leave the chaos here for when Josh gets home, but I hope you enjoyed my pain and my suffering, and I'm gonna enjoy this bench. I hope you have a great day. Be good humans. Stay frosty.